Time to eat again. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. I'm gonna make something easy. Something I used to make a long time ago. Pizza toast. Did you ever make that? You can make it with bread. That's what I'm gonna do. And you can make it along with me. Even if you don't have sauce, put some ketchup on there. Some sliced American cheese if you want, whatever you want. I got some shredded mozzarella, some good pepperoni, and some pizza sauce. First, I'm gonna toast my bread lightly in the toaster. All right, so let me toast it. All right, I usually like my toast nice and brown, but for this project, I want it light. Put the darkest part on the bottom. I'm gonna put the darkest part on the top. I used to make this a long time ago, and I didn't think nothing of it, but I see it's a trend lately. People are calling it a pizza toast. So I figured I'd show it to you, maybe give you a good idea for an easy lunch. Want to come closer while I make this? I got my toaster oven preheated over there to 450 degrees. Or you could use your frying pan and not toast the bread ahead of time. And then put the toast in the frying pan, turn it over a couple times, and put your goodies on top. And you can put whatever you want on top of this. Tablespoon, more or less. What do you think? More or less. You could use a hamburger bun, English muffin. What do you think of that? I like that idea. Whatever kind of cheese you want, you could just put a slice of American cheese on there if that's all you got. That's amazing, isn't it? And I like pepperoni. No bologna, but you could put bologna on there too. Couldn't ya? Then you deal these out like little meat coins. Hopefully we get them browned up a little bit. I'll leave that off if you don't like it. Who's gonna make this right now? I am. Pizza toast. Good lunch, good supper, good snack. Going in the Cosori toaster oven over here, 450 degrees for about 10 minutes, or till I think it's browned enough. Oh, okay. Oh, snack time. That's my lunch. See, I'm eating healthy. Close your door. Can you see that pepperoni curling up in there? Huh? Whoa. I could have put 2 more slices in there. I should have. I don't know why I didn't. I'll make some for you.
Oh,
I'll put some more in the toaster.
We can always make more.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think that. I was just too hungry. I think I would have made 4. All right, I forgot to look at the time. So I don't know how long it was in there, but it was in there long enough because I've been keeping an eye on it. Voila. Pizza toast. And it smells like pizza. Nice. Oh. Burnt cheese on the edge, I love. Oh. Beautiful. And you can slice that with a pizza cutter if you want, or just eat it. I'm going to let it cool, because you know what happens, don't you? Pizza toast. The toast with the most. Now, like I said, I should have made 4, but I'm going to make some plain. You want a plain, right?
Yep.
Look how easy this is. Well, mine's cooling. You got the crust, but that's all right. We're making pizza crust, right?
Right, that's what it's called.
This is a good lunch. What do you think, Eddie? Put it on the menu? Pizza Eggos. If I had waffles, I'd do it like that. And I might do it like that next week. Any kind of bread, right? Lovely. What a great idea. Pizza garlic bread. You want oregano on yours? I should have done that on mine too.
Okay.
Put it on mine too. Look at that.
That looks great. Thank you.
So you want it like that? Or you
Yep.
want, or should I melt the cheese?
Melt the cheese.
Going in. All right, that has 4 minutes left. I'll turn it up to about 14 minutes. We're gonna keep looking at it. But I just want to taste this now. Or do I? Still too hot, probably. No close-ups on the weekend.
Shall I move back a little bit?
Ooh, how's the bottom look?
Oh, just like you like it.
That's how I normally like my toast. I should have buttered that first, huh? Oh, it's gonna burn.
Hold on. What do you want for a thumbnail before you eat it? Alright, so
Maybe this. So much like pizza. On toast! Wasn't it easy? Oh, whoa. Depending on what kind of bread you have, you could change it up more too. This was thick Pepperidge Farm bread, I think, right?
right, it was Hardy White and it's wide and nice for a big slice of pizza.
So when you're done watching this, go make it. Must have bread and cheese. Like I said, even ketchup. I'll make a white pizza, put ranch dressing on, huh?
Yeah.
So many things you can do. Peanut butter and jelly. Ooh! Come on. Thanks for watching. Try that. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. I'm gonna make some more. See ya. Ooh, look at yours. Ooh,
Is it done already?
getting close. Up. Not yet. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye.